Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to properly tag your YouTube videos. This is the best video you will ever find on YouTube regarding tags. But before doing that, all you have to do, go to this option called create a video, click on it and click on upload a video. And when you get inside uploading a video, select any particular video you want to upload. So first, select a video, go to choose. And in here, as your video is uploaded, you can see an option called how to show percentage on iPhone. First, all you have to do is copy this, and go to tags. In here, go to tags. Again, paste the same title, how to show iPhone ads. You have to make sure that write the maximum amount of tags. You have to fill the complete 500 number while completing the tags, because it will attract. And make sure to write bigger, larger search keyword tags. For example, if you don't know how to do that, and for example, if I wrote how to show percentage on iPhone, I'll write down how to show iPhone, just changing the word battery percentage. If you think you don't know, you don't remember any of these things, what to do next, all you have to do, go to Google and write down, for example, if I'm going to write YouTube, I want to tell you a secret today. Go to the for example, if I'm going to write a battery percentage on iPhone, okay, battery percentage on iPhone. All right, so in here you can see I got that video. Let me open it up, and in here you can see that there are a lot of tags appearing on the right side. So you must be thinking how I got this one, how I have these tags appearing, because these tags are attached to this video, how I extracted it. I'm going to tell you the secret. For example, we're going to select another video and see if we get better tags. We get some larger. No, this one is not having that better tags. For example, we're getting this one now. This one has this one has better ones. So for example, I want these tags. How to get these tags? For that, all you have to do, go to Google and write down extensions, and go to Chrome Web Store that has extensions. In here, write keyword. I guess keyword. Let's go. Keyword everywhere. All right, search for it, and I have already downloaded it. I have already added it to my Google search engines, so you can also add that, because whenever you open a video, whenever you open any video, on the sides you will get the keywords. So after you're getting the keywords, you're gonna click on export to CVC, or you can even copy them by just selecting the part, copy it, and again bring it here and paste it. So this video has already been uploaded. That's why my YouTube is showing that crossing a button, because a file is a duplicate. So you can again copy that, paste it here, copy it, paste it, copy all the tags. That way you can copy the other people's tags that are on the top of the list. That way your video has higher chances of appearing in the search engine. So if you think this video helps you understand how to add properly add YouTube tags to your YouTube videos to get higher ranking, so make sure to leave us a comment and leave a subscribe button, thumbs up, and see you soon in another video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.